got a tool here, an SPR tool, that Toby's going to demo for us.
This here is a SPR gun that will work off any electric or battery operated drill. The nice thing about this unit, it's got 4,000 pounds of pressure. It's approved by Ford, and it is portable. Take it around anywhere in the shop. Cost of this is about a lot less than the traditional rivet guns. So let me show you how it works. We'll put the rivet in. And here we go. Now this got a little bit too much pressure. Kai, all you have to do to change the pressure on this thing is just, let's move this down to 55 and see how that comes out.
Pretty good. Ready?
Go. As you can see, with a little less pressure now,
yep.
We have a little less distortion.
Good.
The
So
other
you
nice
just control it with this knob.
yeah, that
Nice.
controls your pressure. Here's the other nice thing about it. The arms are interchangeable. You can get various arm sets for these.
So the throat size.
Yes,
basically.
if you have to go in deeper on it.
Nice.
Just like that, and you're ready to go again.
Great.